Hi guys, it's Michelle from the Redverse Library, and I'm just popping on to let you know about these really cool kits that Southeast have for you to borrow. They are called our Everyday Literacy Kits. And what are they? They are a kit of like games, books, and activities and stuff that you can pick up, you can order through the SILS app or through your librarian, and you can take home. So it's like the perfect thing for like when you want to I don't know, have some time with your kids and you're like, what do I do? I'm not real crafty, but everything is in here for you. Or if you've got a babysitter coming, you can order one ahead of time and have it there for them to do the kit. So I'll show you the one that I ordered and I'll let you know what's in it. So the first thing that we have is, got a little portfolio, and in the portfolio it tells you what's in the kit, how to use it, and you know, just so that you can keep inventory so everything gets back in the kit. Then there is a selection of books. The one that I ordered was about money. So we've got Berenstain Bears' Trouble with Money, Just Saving My Money by Mercer Mayer, Three Little Piggy Banks, and My Rows and Piles of Coins. So we got 4 different books here that all kind of, you know, tie in with the theme. And then we have this cute little money kit with play money. So you can do money activities, games, you can sit down with your kids and be like, oh, okay, this is what, you know, a nickel is worth 5 cents, a quarter is worth 25 cents. Can you make, you know, 55 cents and change, and see what they do. So it's a good way to kind of start teaching them about money very early. But there's other kits. They're not just all money related, but they're all different kits on different topics and subjects. And you can order them, borrow them, take them home, enjoy them, and then bring all the pieces back to us. And it's as easy as that. So I thought I'd pop on, let you know about them, give you the scoop. So if you're interested in something like this, you can go ahead and order them or come talk to me. And I'm more than happy to help you order a kit. So yeah, I hope you like them, and I hope you guys try them out because they are really cool. All right, have a great day.